In this video, you will learn how to create or edit an assignment. Students work for plagiarism using SafeAssign. Then you will see from a student's point of view how they submit an assignment and how he or she can view an originality report, which shows the percentage of match between the text in his or her paper and other sources that have been submitted to the SafeAssign database. Finally, you will learn how to view students' work directly in the Grade Center, as well as viewing the student's originality report. To create or edit an assignment that checks students' work for plagiarism, go into your course site and click the area of your course where you want the assignment to exist. For example, course documents, and then the weekly folder. To create the assignment, go under Assessments and Create Assignment, or click the arrow next to the name of the assignment that already exists and click Edit. Scroll down until you find the area called Grading, and then expand the Submission Details menu. Next to Plagiarism Tools, check two boxes. The one that says Check Submissions for Plagiarism using SafeAssign, and the box next to Allows Students to View SafeAssign Originality Report for their attempts. Then click Submit. When a student is ready to submit an assignment, he or she clicks the button to find the link in the course, then clicks the link, scrolls down to find the button that says Browse My Computer, looks for the file on his or her computer, selects it, and then clicks Submit. That file is then submitted to the instructor through Blackboard. In the meantime, Blackboard generates a preview of the student's assignment here, and also includes information about the SafeAssign results. Most likely, it'll say Report in Progress, because in most cases it takes several minutes for the originality report to be generated. When the instructor is ready to grade assignments, he or she goes to Grade Center, expands the menu, and choose Full Grade Center. And then for every assignment that's been submitted by the student, a yellow icon will appear indicating that a paper has been submitted. The instructor clicks on the arrow next to that icon and choose Attempt and the date. This then gives the instructor a preview of the assignment and also gives information about SafeAssign here. So according to the results of the SafeAssign check, 2% of the text in the student's paper matches text in other sources in the SafeAssign database. To see what text matched, the instructor clicks on the arrow to expand the SafeAssign menu, and then clicks View Originality Report. The report then opens in a new window or tab. Here is the student's paper over here in the document area. The information here tells the instructor again that 2% of the text matched in the student's paper to other sources, and then SafeAssign gives a list of what sources matched to that student's text. The instructor can turn off and on the different sources, or could click on the link to see the original source of the paper that was submitted. Back in the Grade Center, the instructor can also use this opportunity to review the student work and leave comments directly in the student's paper. The instructor can also expand the feedback area and leave general feedback in this area right here. The instructor can then enter a score or use a rubric to calculate the score, and then click Submit. A student can go and view their grades and feedback provided by the instructor for all their assignments by clicking on My Grades, and then looking for the specific assignment in the list. For the teacher interview assignment that was used at the example for SafeAssign, the student can see that they earned 35 out of 40 points. The student can then click the name of the assignment and again see a preview of their assignment. They can see any comments that the instructor might have left in the paper, and now they can see, once the report has been processed, that 2% of the text in their paper matched text in other sources. The student can also click the arrow and view their originality report.